Welcome, fam. If your lower back feels stiff, your hips tight, and your core disconnected, it's not just physical. It's a signal that your foundation needs reconnection. We're not just stretching muscles today. We're rewiring your rhythm from the ground up. Let's hit the mat. Let's build from the center. Lie flat on your back, arms extended toward the sky, knees bent at 90 degrees. Now, slowly lower your right arm and left leg. Pause just above the ground, then return. Alternate sides. Most people skip this because it feels too simple. But this is where your nervous system starts paying attention. I promise you, the dead bug trains your core to stabilize while your limbs move, preventing back pain and improving posture throughout the day. Beginners, keep the motion small. Advanced stretches, extend fully and hover your limbs just above the ground. Did you know that activating your core first can actually reduce brain fog? It stimulates your deep postural muscles, those connected directly to your spine and breath. Hold your next rep just 5 seconds longer. Feel that tremble? That's control kicking in. Let's send that activation down to your glutes. Stay on your back, plant your feet hip width apart. Press through your heels, lift your hips, and squeeze your glutes at the top. Then lower down with control. This move rebuilds power where most people lose it, your backside. I promise, glute bridges re-engage the posterior chain, reduce lower back strain, and help you walk, lift, and move more powerfully all day. Beginners, support your lower back with a small pillow if needed. Advanced stretches, pause for 2 to 3 seconds at the top of each rep. Here's your challenge. For the next 10 seconds, I want you to slow it down, squeeze harder, lower even slower. Do you feel the difference? That just release your hips. Now let's twist it out. Sit with your legs extended or crossed. Raise your arms up and twist your torso to the right. Placing your left hand on your right thigh. Lengthen your spine, then switch. Spinal twists do more than just decompress the back. They wake up your organs too. I promise this resets spinal alignment, massages the digestive tract, and helps you breathe deeper, all with one controlled rotation. Beginners, twist your spine gently. Advanced stretches, try sit up taller, keeping your spine straight. Can you hold this twist and grow taller with every inhale? 5 more seconds here, then switch sides. That just detox your spine. Now let's melt the shoulders. Back to all fours. Slide your right arm under your left, lowering your right shoulder to the mat. Rest your head. Feel the stretch deep across your upper back. Hold for 30 seconds, then switch. This move gently resets the thoracic spine, where most people carry tension from screen time, poor posture, and even anxiety. I promise, thread the needle improves shoulder mobility, releases tension between the shoulder blades, and reconnects your breath to your spine. Beginners, stay higher and rest on a pillow. Advanced stretches, reach the opposite arm overhead for a deeper stretch. Here's your final challenge. Sink deeper into this twist. Breathe into that tight spot. This isn't just a stretch, it's a reset. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy. Even when you sleep 8 hours, when you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. And it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to begin your 3-day reset now. Then, when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, a deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.